A carbide burr tool is highly valuable in industrial equipment maintenance because it provides technicians with the ability to modify components, remove damaged material, and prepare surfaces quickly and precisely during repair and servicing operations. Industrial machinery is often subjected to heavy loads, vibration, heat, and continuous operation, which can lead to wear, cracking, deformation, corrosion, or impact damage over time. When these issues occur, a carbide burr tool mounted on a die grinder allows maintenance personnel to selectively remove compromised material without dismantling entire systems or replacing large assemblies. Its aggressive cutting ability makes it effective on hardened steels, cast iron housings, aluminum components, and other tough industrial materials commonly found in heavy equipment. In equipment modification and repair work, a carbide burr tool is especially useful for restoring proper fit and function to worn or damaged parts. Bearings, housings, mounting points, and structural brackets may become worn or misaligned, affecting machine performance and reliability. The carbide burr tool allows technicians to carefully reshape surfaces, correct uneven wear patterns, and remove burrs or deformation that interfere with proper assembly. This level of precision is essential in industrial environments where even small deviations can lead to vibration issues, reduced efficiency, or premature failure of equipment. By enabling targeted material removal, the tool helps restore components to usable condition without requiring full replacement. A carbide burr tool also plays an important role in preparing surfaces for welding, reinforcement, or fabrication during maintenance procedures. When cracks, corrosion, or broken sections are identified, the affected area must be cleaned and shaped before repair work can begin. The carbide burr tool is used to grind away rust, scale, and weakened metal, creating a clean, stable surface for welding.
Thanks for watching. If you're looking for high-quality American-made carbide burr tools that are built to cut faster, last longer, and help you get the job done right, visit our website today. We keep our American-made carbide burr tools in stock and ready to ship, with same-day shipping available on orders placed before our daily cutoff time. Whether you're working on metal fabrication, porting, welding, automotive projects, or precision grinding, we've got the carbide burr you need. Visit our website and order yours today.